Sometimes it's good to think of yourself in the third person. You know, don't be too immersed in yourself. You should distance yourself. Oh, Jesus Christ again. I hate that noise from that washing machine. You know what I mean? Okay, let's give it a shot once again. Sometimes it's good to think of yourself in the third person. You know, don't be too immersed in yourself, like in your emotions. You should distance yourself from it. You know what I mean? 그래서 3인칭이라고 하죠. 우리 3인칭으로 뭐 한다, 3인칭으로 한다. 3인칭이라는 건 1인칭 화자로서가 아니라 3인칭으로서 보는 거죠. 그래서 그럴 때는 in the third person을 써요. 그래서 think of yourself in the third person. 자신에 대해서 3인칭으로 생각하라. Say it in the third person. 그거를 3인칭으로 말하다 해서 in the third person을 쓰게 되면은 우리가 흔히들 하는 그 3인칭이라는 거 확실하게 기억해 주세요. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll catch you later.